Want to be an all-star performer? You need to know this first. Nobody on this earth is self-made. If you want to be successful in your endeavors, you need to take the best support system available in the environment in which you are connected with.
A little boy was fond of swimming. At his age of 8, his parents identified his interest. The boy had the willingness to swim but didn't know how to swim. His parents took him to a trainer who taught him the basics in swimming, and the little one was able to swim in about 3 weeks' time. Within a couple of years, this little boy could master the basic skills needed for various strokes in swimming, like the freestyle, the butterfly, backstroke, and the breaststroke. The boy developed the interest and ability to swim, which induced his parents to identify a powerful coach who took a focused care on this boy to further up his swimming expertise with perfection. Over a period of next 5 years, the boy won several accolades to his credit in district and state level meet. Now the situation influenced the boy with academic priorities wherein, though with the ability and several success, he was unwilling to pursue with this sport. Never to get lost in this imbalance of situation, his parents sought after a mentor who could handhold the boy and glide through this situation. This further honed his swimming skills amidst academic excellence, bringing laurels to him and his school. That was a devastating situation when the boy lost his mother due to illness, which forced him mentally to quit from the sport. His willingness and ability to swim kept deteriorating. His father took up the role as a counselor. He could reconcile in a year's period and is back to grooves of perfection with focus and excellence in performance. Now comment down below which one of these 4 people you have in your life. Most of us many a times believe that we are optimistic. We have the willingness to do and the ability to do. With these great spirits, we venture into an area of our interest. You go seek a coach here. As time goes by, when unforeseen challenges cross our roads, we get disturbed and move to a state of mind which says, I have the willingness to do, but still I'm unable to do. Now go seek a trainer here. My challenges outweigh my ability, and this further deteriorates to a state of mind in that venture which says, though I have the ability to do, I am still not having the willingness to pursue further. Now go seek a mentor here. He is the guy who guides you to take the right decision with his time-tested knowledge and wisdom. In spite of all these efforts, nothing works in my favor. When I don't realize this, it gets deteriorated to a mental stuff wherein I become pessimistic and my mind says, I don't have the willingness to do, nor do I have the ability to do. Such is the situation wherein many stay behind in their marathon to success and decide to quit. I do at this point a deep research with my past experiences and self-analysis with which my self-experiment begins in my venture. This either complicates the situation or brings a positive change. Under circumstances where it really complicates, there is a savior in this world called the counselor who helps me understand my own situation with openness in approach and high degree of confidentiality. He instills confidence in my mind and enhances my rational decision-making power. To identify these 4 people requires time and efforts, friends. Have you figured out one? Comment below. And make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting content.